Imagine having the power to sculpt your WordPress website's very foundation, weaving in custom touches that make it uniquely yours. Today, we're unlocking that power by diving into how you can safely edit your WordPress website's HTML code. This isn't about making drastic changes, but about gaining precise control over structure and appearance for those custom designs and functionalities you've always wanted. The first and most common method is through your WordPress dashboard's theme file editor. To access it, navigate to Appearance, and then select Theme File Editor. This tool gives you direct access to your active themes files, where you'll find the HTML. You'll see a list of your theme's template files on the right. Files like header control what appears at the top of every page, footer for the bottom, and singlef for individual blog posts. Clicking on a file name will load its HTML content into the editor pane on the left. Here, you can make specific adjustments. Maybe you want to add a custom meta tag for SEO, embed a small snippet of code for analytics, or even tweak the structure of a particular section. Remember to be cautious. Even a small mistake can impact your site, so make a note of any changes you make. Once you've made your desired edits, simply click the Update File button at the bottom. It's always a good practice to view your website immediately after saving to ensure your changes have been applied as expected. For more advanced users or when direct access is needed, you can also edit HTML through your hosting account's file manager. Log in to your hosting control panel, find the File Manager, and navigate to your WordPress installations, wp-content/themes folder. From there, you can select your active themes directory. Inside your themes folder, you'll find the same files as in the theme file editor. You can right-click on a file and choose an Edit or Open with Editor option provided by your host. This offers the same HTML editing capabilities, but from outside your WordPress dashboard. By learning to navigate and modify your WordPress HTML, you're not just editing code. You're unlocking a new level of control, allowing you to truly fine-tune your website's foundation and bring your unique visions to life.